Right, so we have the van and we have the awning. We now need some seats to sit outside under the awning, and because of the space saving we're trying to do, we need little packages. Now there are lots of reclining chairs and camping chairs out there, but we noticed on Carol and Ken's YouTube channel, Life is Too Short, they'd got some tiny little chairs that folded away quite nicely. So I've got some of those. Let's take a look. Now inside the back of the van we have this double seat just behind the driver's seat, and that spins around to be forward facing if we'd want it to. However, in day van mode we like to keep it turned facing backwards so that we can use the table there with the other chair. And behind this chair, I'll just show you if I can get in here, this chair actually does drop down, so I'll just remove this cushion, and if I, as I say, this chair does spin all the way around, but if I activate this lever here, then that falls down flat. And behind that, in the gap here between the driver's seat and this rear double seat, there's a pack here that has a power pack in it, which we'll go into in a future video. We have the awning kit that I made up the other day, which is perfect with the poles. Let's get out of the way. With the poles here. Oh, that's the actual awning kit. The other thing was a tripod I'd put in there. Right, and then I have that plastic container down there. Now in that plastic container are the two chairs, plus a ground sheet and a hookup lead and a couple of other bits and bobs. But as you can see, it's a perfect space, and it's ideal for what we need. So let's get the chairs out. So if I just flick that little click there and pull that up there, there's two little packages you can see in here. And these are the chairs, and as you can see, they are really compact. I think it's about 14 inches that way by 4.7 inches that way and 4 inches that way. So perfect. Right, so let's get it open. So it has a zip, as you can see. And that little package there is actually the chair. Now the one downside to these is they don't have very large feet on them, so they can sink into the ground unless you have them on a ground sheet or something. So what I did was just purchase 2 packs of these for, I'm not sure what they're called, but you put them on the bottom of the feet, you get the idea, and it stops it from sinking in. So we'll just put the chair together. Right, so it's an all aluminium frame with plastic connectors, and it kind of wants to put itself together. Really simple. And that is basically it for the frame. So what you do is you get these little openings at the back and just slip them over the aluminium rodding like that for the back. Pull that down. Do the same for the bottom here and this side. And there you have it. That's the chair.